Welcome back YouTube. This is our 5th car meet. It's a little foggy outside. It's gonna be pack. Enjoy. And we got the S5 outside. And we got the owner eating a burrito.
Burrito, no diddy. With salchichas, sausage. You dig? No diddy.
What up, people? We just got here and it looks kind of packed. I'm gonna show you around what cars we can find or anything. They got like a 4GT, and I'm gonna show you real quick. My God, so beautiful.
You just hate it. I like the carbon fiber though.
Yeah, the carbon fiber is nice. Yeah, but like it's not faster than the Shelby though. It's not faster than the Shelby.
Bro, the ZL1 is the slowest out the 3, bro. Shut up.
I don't know. I think the ZL1 is faster than the Hellcat.
Nah, I think this one's faster.
Nah.
We saw that video.
I think he fast.
He got the Handy.
Nah, look at the Supra. Look at the BBC wheels. He's playing with y'all. But I don't know. I feel like it looks better without the wing. And we got next to it like the new Supra, a Beamer Supra. Like, kind of like it. It's low-key packed, but that's not really that like cool cars I can show you guys. I show you guys already like most of the cars they got here, but yeah. What we looking at?
This one is Dino original SS, buddy.
It has a
This shit is not your.
it has his OnlyFans right here.
Okay. The Chevy SS, bro. This car is so underrated, bro. Look, it looks like a normal Chevy. Like, what was it? What was the name of it? I don't remember the name of it. Yeah, but it got like the LS on it. Look, so nice. They're like 40K now. They used to be like 20. Look. They got like this Porsche though. This Porsche.
Like Christian when he had his mullet.
He said, nah, watch out. Look at this. Look at the interior, bro. It's too orange for me, bro.
Yeah, too much. Right?
Yeah, too much orange, bro. Look.
You gotta stand it out with some black or something.
Yeah, the GT2 RS is way better, in my opinion. Look, I promised y'all an NSX. So here's an NSX. It's the cleanest one I ever seen, bro. It looks like low mileage and everything. Look. Sheesh. On my first video I said I was gonna show you an Acura, and here it is. Look, Spaniel, 6-speed. Damn, bro. I wonder how many miles it got.
What?
This.
It got only 457.
457? How you know? Damn. Look, they got a Cybertruck in here. There was a gray one over there, but the black looks way better, low-key. Look at the tires, bro. Tires are meaty. Like, and they got this Austin Martin, like the old one. Like, it's right-hand drive. Like, how much? Well, it looks like a spaceship, bro. Like one of the all like airplanes. They got like a bunch of gauges and everything. Yeah, look, my God, looks nice. Look, they got this GTR. The owner of this Lambo let me sit in it, like on the passenger side. I'll put like a photo if I find it. And they got like Ferrari next to it. And look at this one, bro. I'll show you from the back a little, like the back side of it. Look, bro. I can't show you the Ferrari because there's people like right there, and I don't want to like bother them, I guess. Look. Chinito, man, obsessed with Hellcats.
Play with the big boy.
He's still obsessed with the Hellcats. I know the intake is musty. Look at that. Bro, the car musty. Look at all the watermarks.
You gotta get detailed by. You gotta get detailed.
Look at
Yeah.
You gotta get detailed by Cruise. What is it?
Cruise detail. Well, I used to own like a detailing company or like a business, and until winter hit, here in Indiana, like it snows a lot, which I thought it was gonna be better since like people don't want to wash their car too much, and the salt from the ground will like rust them. So I thought it was a good idea, but it didn't work out. What?
car right here will gap the fuck out of them two right there.
The Mustang?
Yeah.
What about the Shelby?
I'll gap those.
Nah. This car is making daily.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yes, car.
Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. Bro, this thing got a heavy engine, bro. Wait. Nah, that's crazy. That's cool.
Chino man here do not approve.
What do you mean? You like Mopar?
I no approval.
You say no approve? Bro, look at this, bro. It look like the whole like muscle cars, bro. Damn. Look. Sheesh.
That's what he got.
Damn.
What do you have? Oh, you do? Yeah. You got one of them.
Damn. Bro, they're talking about like money like they ain't nothing. They got it like the plane taking off. Chee. But there's a 4 GT right here. Look. I got a roller of it, like pulling up. I think he was gonna take a photo, but it's alright. It's whatever. Look at his seats, bro. They got holes on it. Never seen a GT with the holes on it like that. We got the same steering wheel. The interior, bro. Look at that. I never seen that before. It's nice. Look. So nice. Look. 4. They got a Shelby right here. Wow, I'm a little sick. My bad, guys. My bad. My mucus are running like down my nose. Look at this evil, bro.
That's some sort of a headlight.
Look, bro, it's missing a headlight. So nice. Look, the exhaust from the front. That's cool. That's really cool, bro. And if it spits flame and everything, that's cool. It was alright. Nah, you cannot see the interior. Look at my girlfriend right there. Yo. Look at the 3 Series, bro. This series is the best one, bro. The M3 on this series is crazy. Like, it's nice. Oh, it's an M3. What the flea? What the flea? Wow, yeah. Look at that, bro. God damn. Look at the Viper. Viper GTS?
So you can hear the supercharger.
Look, so small. Look like a Corvette or something. But it's so nice. The FRS? Nah, boy. What is that, buddy? What is that, buddy? Nah. The Lambo?
I'm tripping.
The Corvette? Yeah. Why he was so saucy? Oh, what? Look, taking off. people are leaving already, so might as well have my dip too. It's not gonna be that long of a video today, so yeah. I'm gonna go today to another one with the wrestling. They're supposed to be wrestling and everything, so I don't know. Let's see how that go. Look, Ferrari. On that Civic. They were like Mustangs. Oh, look, the Shelby. Huh? Yeah, they got like a wrestling match. And a car meet. It's like to raise money to like kids, I guess. Like hospitals. Look, 350. Jeez. I like the red better. This is the best car right here on the whole car meet, bro. Look. Look. You gotta think, buddy. Jeez. Look, bro. The whole back is glass.
Sipping that money to kill all my troubles.